Oh my gosh. I've been mowing the lawn for hours. I finally finished. Excuse me. I finished. Oh, and also this is my sister, and I am her maid.
What?
So I'm gonna start vacuuming. Oh my god, she's so rich. Okay, now I need a mop.
Why is it saying now? No.
Okay, gonna. Okay, hello?
Hi.
Come on, let's go. Sissy, come on, let's go. We're gonna go out. You want to get dinner?
Sure.
Okay, let's see what we can get. Oh. Get in.
Oh my god.
Okay, what color? Mint green?
Okay. This is a big car.
Oh my god, I'm driving so badly. Okay, I'm going.
Oh.
Okay. So you want McDonald's?
Sure.
I'll pay for it.
The stove is burning. But
It's okay.
I would take this.
Okay, I'll pay for it.
Oh, so much.
Okay, I paid. I'm coming. Why is someone under the car? Okay, well, come over here. That's here. I'll take you for a ride. Just so you know, I don't know how to drive this thing.
Oh.
Ooh. Okay, here we go. Right? Okay, here we go. No.
You're gonna cry. Why are we going under the
Okay. Yeah, that's done.
Oh.
Get in the car.
Your McDonald's. Your McDonald's fell out.
Okay, do you want to go to the club?
Club?
It's open tonight, I think. This is your first time. Club is now open. Let's see when that pops up. You can go to the arcade while I wait. While we wait. This is a big place, so I'm gonna go get some more money while you're here, I guess. Come on over. Okay, I need to go get some money at the bank now. Super fastly before the club opens.
Is that Grace?
Oh, you're gonna come to the bank with me? Wait, is Grace playing this? Let me check. Grace.
I don't know. But that little girl right
That's another Grace. Okay, well, okay, well, I'm a bad driver. Okay, I'm at the bank. I'm gonna Go rob it.
Oh.
Mhm.
I will stay in the car.
Yeah, you can watch me if you want. Just need to grab the safe thingy. Okay, you see me?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I got some more money for you. Let me just get rid of this stuff and give you the money.
I'm in the car.
I know, I'm trying to give you money.
I think like you have to be in the car. Or like I have to be out.
Okay, let's see.
Shake. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm in the car.
The club open.
Oh, you're just crashing into people?
Mm-hmm. Oh, the club is open. Here, I'll pick you up.
Pick me up.
So you don't have
This
to
is
walk.
the club?
No? Look, let me pick you up. Wait. Here.
Why is there somebody coming?
Wait, here, let me tap you as... Okay, let's go.
I'm getting picked up. Wow, I see.
And here is the club. We can do some cool dance moves like number 10. Look at me.
Oh. Who's that?
Here, you can choose out of like dance moves down here.
Oh. Number 10 is insane. Six.
Oh God, what am I doing? Woohoo! Let's go!
Okay.
Okay, well, where do you want to go now?
I don't even know. I don't know why. Okay.
Did they take my car? No, the car's right here. But I was thinking of getting a new car. Oh my God, that guy.
Why is that dude following?
He's saying he needs a maid. Of course not.
Ah! Just got ran over.
Okay, well, let's get a good car this time.
Better go before he comes. Go. Put it, bro. He's in the car. He's in the car. Oh
it's
my
okay.
God.
I'm gonna ban him. Have you ever seen a person get banned before?
You did it earlier to that little girl.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna drive onto the property, lock him in the basement, banned.
This is some bad driving.
Okay, well, let's go to the house.
How do you even know where you live?
No, my screen's stuck. Give me 1 second. Let me rest.
I mean, he left the car, so like it's not that much of a big deal. He left.
He's probably at my house. Okay.
You doesn't know. You're in the middle of the road.
I know. I'm at my house. Are you driving?
Where are you?
I'm right here.
I should switch.
No, whatever you want.
That's your house.
What happened to my face? This game is being bad.
He found your house. Oh.
No.
Dang. Meanwhile, I'm just.
You can't go into my sister's house. Okay, guys. Well, thank you for watching this video. Hope you watch another one with me and my sister. Bye.